I hope you are well by the Almighty. I am MD Jamaluddin, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Uttar Bangla College. I hope that you are well by the Almighty in the time of novel Corona-19. Stay home, save yourself, and save your family and country. Today, I will discuss about financial management. This lecture will be helpful for third year accounting department, marketing department, finance and banking department, and fourth year for management department. Today, I discuss about corporate finance. Normally, finance for corporation is called managerial or corporate finance. Financial manager actively manage the financial affairs of any types of business, financial and non-financial, private and public, large and small, profit-seeking and not profit-seeking firms or business. Thus, corporate finance is planning, extending credits to customers. Now, I discuss about agency problem. Agency problem means the conflict between different interest groups. That is, conflict may be owners to manager, manager to supervisor, or different stakeholders. Actually, it means everyone wants to get more benefits from business firm. So, conflict arises among the different interest groups to increase their own interest. Types of agency problem. Stakeholder versus manager. Actually, stakeholder wants to increase their share value or owner's value, while manager wants to increase their benefits such as salary, incentives, bonus, or work environment. Second, stakeholder versus creditor. Stakeholders always tries to get the credits at a low cost and pay the principal's amount in lately. But creditor wants to maximize their interest and want to get the principals and interest amount on due time as early as possible. 3. Stakeholder versus other stakeholders. Actually, other stakeholders means different social entity, social peoples, customer, supplier, renter, etc. This type of stakeholders always try to increase their own interest or want to get more advantage from business or corporate firm. But stakeholder tries to minimize or reduce this benefit or advantage to stakeholders. Now, agency cost. Agency cost means the cost which incurred for reducing or minimizing the agency problem, such as increase the salary of manager or give more benefits to stakeholders. Types of agency cost. Agency cost are different types. First, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost to means the structure of farms, that is farm structuring the farms, a well workstation, well decoration of the rooms of the manager or different type of employees. This cost means opportunity cost. Second, structuring cost, that means incentive plan, performance plans which are given to employees or different type of stakeholders. That cost is known as structuring cost. 3. Bonding cost, that is equalizing benefit to the different social stakeholders or different employees or different peoples which cost incurred, that is known as bonding cost. Then Monitoring cost. Monitoring cost means actually monitor the verbs or business which cost incurred, that is monitoring cost. This known as auditing cost, budgeting cost, or making budget, etc. Thank you all and stay home to or read the lecture. Thank you to all.